Hello, my name is Alicia Sorensen. I am doing the presentation on the different types of volcanoes and their characteristics. There are 6 different types of volcanoes. There is the cinder cone volcano, the composite volcano, the shield volcano, large igneous provinces, the seafloor volcanoes, and the kimberlite volcanoes. The cinder cone volcanoes are more of like a smaller volcano that are on the side or on like the base of more larger volcanoes. The magma that erupts is more mafic and is very gas rich, like carbon dioxide that it releases. An example of a cinder cone volcano is the Eve cone that the text gives. Another is a composite, also known as a stratovolcano. It is at the subduction zones, and it is more of a medium and a steeper volcano because it is made up of different types of rocks versus just lava. And the magma is more of a felsic to mafic type of rock. The eruption is very explosive to effusive, and effusive is just that it is more of a constant flow of lava. An example is the Mount St. Helens in Washington, D.C. or Washington. Another type of volcano is the shield volcano. It is at the mantle plumes. It is a very large, more of like a wider volcano, not steep at all. It is a more of an extrusive mafic type of rock volcano, and the eruption is very effusive, so the constant flow of lava whenever it erupts. An example is the Kilauea in Hawaii. And another type of volcano are the large igneous provinces. It is at the supermantle plumes. They are very enormous and thick. The different edges are showing the different layers of lava over time. The magma is very intrusive and extrusive, different types of mafic rocks, and the eruption are very thick layers. An example of this type of volcano are the Columbian River basalts in Washington. Another type is the kimberlite volcanoes. In the upper mantle, they are very wide volcanoes with extrusive and ultramafic rocks, and the eruptions are very small and explosive. An example are the Lac de Grasse in Canada. And to kind of represent the gases and the volcanoes, I'll be doing a little bit of an experiment with vinegar, a little bit of food dye, and then adding some baking soda. So this kind of shows it building the gases and then eventually erupting. And that is my presentation on volcanoes.